Good morning. We're up here on the roof and we're talking roof access hatch safety. And the problem is OSHA, if you have this hatch closed like this one is, they'll say you really don't need a hatch surround around it. But if in most cases the hatch is left open because people don't want to get locked up on their roof, you need to have a fall restraint on them, something that's going to provide the same amount of safety as if you're walking on the rails or on the rails on a sidewalk. So this is our hatch safe that we produce here at PS Industries. This one is set up for a stairwell access, so it's quite a bit longer, but it comes with a swing gate, and this one is showing our optional swing gate, which is the adjustable safety gate in zinc. The standard gate that comes with this is a galvanized gate. The railings come with grab holds, so as you come out of the hatch, you have something to grab onto, and when you get on this side, no matter where you are, you have safety from that hatch. This particular hatch here is a little bit different one in that it is another product that we produce here at PS Industries, is a sliding. So it simply slides out of the way and allows you access into it. And again, this is a longer version. We do stock these in two sizes. We do one that will handle up to a 36 by 48 hatch, and the other one's for a larger, more of a ship ladder, like up to a 56-inch length. And then we do these custom for the stairwell access hatches that we can go up to quite a bit, I think like 120 inches in length on these. They work with a sliding hatch or a tip-up hatch. No matter which one you have, it mounts to the curb and gives you a safety protection on your roof.